How's it going today, everybody? Welcome back to Troy's Hobbies. Today on the bench, we are going to be out on the trail with the RGT Crusher. We're going to crawl on 2S. We're going to use the 5200 milliamp Z power pack. I believe it's a 70C power pack. And we're going to take a look real quick at some of the changes I've made to the truck under the hood. Nothing major. I just did a motor swap and re-greased some of the gears. So let's take a look at that new motor, and we'll get out on the trail. All right, let's take a look under the hood here real quick. So as you can see right there, we put an Axial motor in it. It's a 27 turn. Still the 20 kilogram servo and the stock ESC. To run the motor, I had to put the ESC on top of the battery tray here and then secure it with a zip tie so I could run the motor wires across the top. I also had to cut out the top brace. I didn't need to cut out the top brace, and I think it was kind of a mistake on my part, but it's really not too big of a deal. It doesn't add too much flex to the chassis or anything. So let's go ahead and get this thing out onto the trails and see how we do. Alright everybody, that's going to do it today for Troy's Hobbies. That was a 2S run with the RGT Crusher. Did really excellent out on the trail. No breakages, no anything. The new Axial 27 turn motor performed excellent. Nice low motion control. It's certainly not a Hobby Wing axe or a Holmes Hobby system or anything like that, but for a budget system, I think this truck is excellent. There's less than $100 in the electronics in this truck, so I think it's doing really, really well. So I just want to say thanks to everybody for watching. Put a link here really quick for where you can follow me on social media. I just want to say thanks to everybody again for watching. Like the video if you can. Subscribe if you're new. And we'll see you next time. See you later.